Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO V15 Pro and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. But first open the settings, then find and select accounts and sync and click on the account that you wish to remove. So all you have to do now is to click on delete account. Then confirm that you know that it will remove all contacts, emails and other data related with this account. Tap on OK and that's it. As you can see, it is no longer connected with your device. Then once you want to add another account, just click on add account, choose Google, as it's about Google account, and provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. And then tap on next. Now provide your password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. And now just mark if this device is yours or if it's for your kid. Tap on next then. Tap on I agree if you do agree with all the above terms of service and privacy policy. And that's it. As you can see, it has been added. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.